So hi friends, as the 23rd shift 2 is completed now, so here I am with the expected marks for the percentile and cutoff category wise for particularly this shift. Already I have informed you about the 23rd first shift, 22nd first second shift both, and soon I am going to provide you the complete analysis of current year trend, what type of question they are asking, and whether the syllabus distribution is uniform 50% from 11 and 12 like this. I will provide you everything in my next video, so please try to subscribe the channel. And if you want to ask the direct question, you can join the live stream in the evening. Every day I will be live. So here the information is for 99.9 to 45 mark. This was one of the toughest shift as of now for JEE Mains 2025 as of now. Maybe next shift more, maybe more tougher, so I will inform you, but as of now this was the toughest shift, so that's why you are getting the percentile at less marks. 99.9 to 45, 99.5 to 25, 99, 205, 98, 175, 97, 100, 150, 96, 135, 95, 125 marks, 93, 105 marks. Here I would like to inform you about my complete mentorship and guidance program. In the next section of the video, you will be able to check the detail of my guidance. If you are not scoring well, you can register with my guidance so that I can guide you properly to get the best result. Here I would like to inform you about my complete mentorship and guidance regarding the all entrance exam across India. Whatever exam you are preparing for, I will be guiding you. That is complete guidance will be provided from mentors from IIT, NIT, BITS. For VIT, Manipal, Amrita, RB, SRM, all type of counseling guidance and mentorship will be provided to you so that you can get the best result in all the entrance exam whatever you will appear. And further on I will be providing you the complete guidance for choice filling decision making for the college so that you will get the best college. First I will guide you for the best strategy and roadmap for each exam so that you can get the result. You important chapters, topic, dedicated test series for every type of exam I will be providing to you directly. So hope you have checked the information. Here is the information for 90, 85 marks, 85, 75, 80, 65 marks, 75, 55 marks, 70, 45 marks, 65, 40 marks, 60, 36 marks, 50, 30 marks, 40, 25 marks. So this was the complete information regarding marks versus percentile. Now I will discuss about the advanced cutoff, minimum, percentile and marks. Percentile will remain same for every shift, as you can check my previous video also, but marks will change as this was the tougher shift, so marks will be less, that is less marks is required for getting the qualification for advance. General 105 to 10, OBC 64 to 68, EWS 65 to 70, SC 35 to 37, ST 27 to 29, and PWD you just need to reach the center. If you have reached, then you are qualified for JEE Advanced. So this was the complete information regarding 23 second shift, expected marks versus percentile and cutoff category wise. Thank you.